If you ever need to log out of your Telegram account remotely from another device, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it on Telegram Desktop. This is especially useful if you've logged in on a shared computer, a public device, or a phone you no longer have access to, and you want to make sure your account stays secure. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and click the menu icon. This will open the main navigation panel where you can access your account settings. From the menu, click Settings. In the Settings area, find and select Privacy and Security. This section is where Telegram keeps important account controls, including your active devices, login options, and security settings. Now scroll until you see Active Sessions and click on it. This is the area that shows every device currently logged into your Telegram account. You'll be able to see details like the device name, location, and last active time, which makes it easy to identify the session you want to remove. To log out of a device remotely, simply click the X icon next to the device you want to sign out from. Telegram will immediately end that session, and that device will no longer have access to your account. If you want, you can repeat this process for any other devices you don't recognize or no longer use. This is a great habit to build if you ever use Telegram on multiple devices, because it helps keep your account safe and gives you full control over where you're signed in. And if you ever think someone else may have access to your Telegram account, checking active sessions should be one of the first things you do. So that's how to log out of a Telegram account remotely, in just a few clicks. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy guides, and I'll see you in the next video.